In the human body, even without exercise, approximately 100 grams of protein is recycled daily. This natural turnover means that our muscle structures are continuously being broken down and rebuilt. For those who don't engage in intensive exercise, this might seem trivial, but it underscores a crucial aspect of muscle metabolism that applies to everyone, athlete or not. Muscle metabolism involves two types of processes, anabolic and catabolic. Anabolism refers to the building up of muscles, whereas catabolism involves the breakdown of muscle tissue. In everyday life, these processes are balanced in a way that allows our muscles to maintain themselves even without active intervention. However, in athletes, especially those involved in strength sports, there is a greater shift towards anabolism, which promotes muscle mass increase. Contrary to popular belief, catabolic processes never cease. They are an ongoing part of our metabolic system. What we can control, often without realizing, is the rate at which these processes occur. Unhealthy habits can accelerate catabolism, effectively robbing the muscles of their potential to grow and leading to disappointing results in both active and sedentary individuals. Proper protein intake is crucial for maintaining overall health and optimizing muscle function. For the average adult, it is recommended to consume approximately 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. This ensures a sufficient supply of essential amino acids, crucial for various bodily functions, including muscle repair and growth. Athletes or those engaged in heavy physical activities may need up to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight to support recovery and muscle hypertrophy. It's important to source protein from a variety of foods to ensure a balanced amino acid profile. Options include meats, dairy, legumes, and grains. Overconsumption of protein, however, should be avoided as it can lead to unnecessary strain on the kidneys and liver and does not confer additional benefits for muscle growth. Balancing protein intake according to individual needs and activity levels is key to achieving both health and fitness goals. Consuming casein protein before bedtime offers unique benefits for muscle health. Casein, a primary protein found in dairy products such as low-fat cottage cheese, has a slow absorption rate, which makes it ideal for nighttime consumption. While you sleep, the body goes through a fasting state where muscle breakdown can occur. The slow digestion of casein ensures a prolonged release of amino acids into the bloodstream, effectively feeding your muscles over several hours. This sustained protein supply can help prevent muscle catabolism, breakdown, and promote recovery and growth during the night. Including a serving of a casein-rich food like low-fat cottage cheese in your last meal of the day can be a strategic move for maintaining muscle mass, particularly for athletes and individuals engaged in regular strength training. The balance between physical activity and rest is crucial for optimal muscle health. Overtraining occurs when one engages in excessive exercise without allowing sufficient time for recovery. This can trigger an increase in the production of stress hormones such as cortisol, which promotes the breakdown of muscle tissue, known as catabolism. The physiological impact of overtraining extends beyond muscle loss, potentially leading to fatigue, decreased performance, and even injuries. Conversely, undertraining or insufficient physical activity also leads to muscle atrophy. Muscles require regular stimulation to maintain strength and volume. Without it, they gradually weaken and shrink. This condition is not just limited to athletes, but affects anyone with a sedentary lifestyle. Hence, finding a balanced exercise routine that includes adequate periods of rest and activity is essential to prevent both overtraining and undertraining, ensuring long-term muscle health and overall well-being. Vitamin C is essential for maintaining healthy muscle function throughout our lives, but its importance becomes even more critical as we age. This vitamin is pivotal in the synthesis of collagen, a key component of muscle tissue, and also plays a significant role in the repair and growth of muscle fibers. A deficiency in vitamin C can significantly slow down muscle repair, lead to increased muscle degeneration, and impede growth. For instance, a single kiwi fruit contains up to 4 times the daily recommended intake of vitamin C. However, moderation is key, as consuming a whole kiwi daily could lead to excessive intake. Typically, just a quarter to a half of a kiwi is enough to meet your daily vitamin C needs without risk of overdosing. This approach ensures that the body gets just the right amount of vitamin C to support optimal muscle function without the risks associated with excess intake. Chronic stress and insufficient sleep are significant threats to muscle health. Elevated stress levels trigger the release of cortisol, a hormone that, when present in high amounts, promotes catabolic processes, where muscle protein is broken down for energy. This not only leads to muscle degradation, but also inhibits new muscle growth. Moreover, a lack of sleep exacerbates this issue by further elevating cortisol levels and disrupting other hormones critical for muscle repair and growth, such as growth hormone, which is predominantly released during deep sleep cycles. Consequently, ensuring at least 7 hours of sleep per night and implementing effective stress management techniques such as mindfulness, regular exercise, and adequate relaxation are crucial for protecting muscle tissue, enhancing recovery, and maintaining overall muscle strength and mass. These practices not only help balance cortisol levels, but also support a healthier, more anabolic environment conducive to muscle maintenance and growth. Smoking has profound negative impacts on metabolism and muscle health. It hinders protein synthesis, crucial for muscle repair and growth, by altering cellular functions. Moreover, smoking accelerates the degradation of muscle tissue by increasing the activity of genes associated with muscle catabolism. Alcohol consumption exacerbates these effects by impairing the secretion of growth-related hormones. It notably reduces levels of insulin-like growth factor and human growth hormone, both vital for muscle development. Alcohol also depletes essential nutrients like vitamins A and C, B vitamins, calcium, zinc, and phosphates, further undermining muscle maintenance and recovery. Together, smoking and excessive alcohol intake create a hostile environment for muscle preservation and growth, leading to faster muscle atrophy and reduced physical capabilities. Diversify your protein sources. Combine different protein sources to ensure a full range of essential amino acids. Moderate exercise. Balance your workouts to avoid overtraining. Include both aerobic and strength training to suit your body's capabilities. Incorporate rest days. Allow your body to recover to prevent stress-induced muscle loss. Monitor vitamin intake. Ensure adequate intake of critical vitamins, particularly vitamin C, to support muscle maintenance and growth. Manage stress and sleep. Prioritize mental health and sleep to maintain optimal hormonal balance. Maintaining muscle health isn't solely the concern of athletes. It involves managing dietary intake, exercise routines, and overall lifestyle choices, including stress management, and avoiding harmful habits like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Understanding these aspects can help anyone enhance their muscular health, ensuring longevity and vitality. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.